Is your Aisensy WhatsApp running on empty? Let's get you recharged and back in business in under 2 minutes. First things first, head over to the Aisensy website and log into your account. Make sure you're using the same email and password you used during sign-up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the billing or recharge section. It's usually located in the account settings or main dashboard area. So look around and click on it once you find it. You'll now see various recharge options. These might be packages with different message credits or validity periods. Choose the one that best suits your business needs and budget. Take a look at what each provides, how many credits you get, and what the validity period is. Select your preferred payment method. Aisensy typically supports a variety of options, including credit cards, debit cards, and other online payment gateways. Enter your payment details securely. After entering your payment information, review the details and confirm the transaction. You should then see a confirmation screen indicating that your recharge was successful, along with your new account balance. If you don't see this, check your payment details and try again. Finally, go back to your Aisensy dashboard. You should now see your updated credit balance or an active subscription status, confirming that your account has been successfully recharged. And that's it. You're now ready to get back to maximizing your WhatsApp marketing efforts with Aisensy. Keep an eye on your balance and recharge as needed to avoid any service interruptions. Happy messaging.